Have you always imagined yourself immersed in the country lifestyle, building the home of your dreams? But you have responsibilities that keep you close to town. Ultimately, you want a place to get away for some peace and quiet. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with RE/MAX The Group and the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 4389 Brandywine in Casper, Wyoming. This 4.8-acre property is situated on Casper's west side near town, but far enough away for peace and privacy. The property already has a well, or if you wish, you can hook up to city water for an additional fee. The electricity is just one lot away from this property. We have to mention the awesome 30 by 40 shop already built with 2 garage doors, a man door, and lots of windows for light. Just look at this view. This mountain view is absolutely breathtaking. Imagine having this view to look at out your kitchen window or out a picture window in your living room. If that wasn't enough, Squaw Creek runs at the back of the property. This property is zoned urban agriculture, so there are lots of options. Bring your horses, dogs, etc. Build your dream home or enjoy this slice of heaven just like it is. Yep, this is the life. I'm thinking I'm going to enjoy the sunset just like this. Why don't you join me? We would love to show you this property and the view. Call or text us today. Remember, we want you and your horses to love where you live.